What's up guys, it's day 15 of me getting rid of my acne and eating as healthy as I possibly can. Let's check the weight. 224 pounds. And I gained weight. Interesting. It's probably just water weight, to be honest. Really not all that hungry. It's 7 o'clock right now. I probably wait an hour and then make some eggs. So, catch you guys soon. It's 9:08. Wait another hour, but now I'm hungry, so slightly. I've got 5 eggs. I cooked that and a tablespoon of olive oil. I got 1 red bell pepper. That counts as a salad. It's got vitamins, minerals. I mean, what's like really the difference if I just put some like lettuce in a bowl? I put this in a bowl with some like dressing. This is still a salad. I'm counting it as a salad, damn it. I also got a black coffee. 500 calories, I'm guessing. All right, it's 5:38. Getting kind of hungry. I got some hanger steak here that I want to cook up. So I'll cook up a few pieces of that. And I'll eat like 2 kiwis too. And I'll eat another red bell pepper. I don't want anybody telling me that does not count as a salad, because that's basically a salad. What's the difference between like, because I have lettuce here. I can just add lettuce and peppers in a bowl, call that a salad, or I can just eat a pepper. It's still a salad, you know what I mean? You know what I mean. Let's cook up this hanger steak. Another liter of coconut water, another 120 calories. I'm not sure if I showed the first one. 240 calories worth of coconut water. It's pretty good. Better flush out all my acne. A little change of plans. I'm gonna make some eggs and I'm gonna cook a little nice dish later. So I'm gonna cook up like 5 eggs. Here is a completed meal. 5 eggs. I got 2 apples and 1 liter of coconut water. Around like 500, 600 calories, I think. Yeah, pretty good. Gonna cook up a nice dish later. It's gonna be fantastic. Sure, alright, all I do today was just a bunch of pull-ups and some abs. Bro, you're huge. Not even gonna lie, all I've done today was abs and pull-ups. But still a great workout. Okay, it's currently 9:51. And all I've eaten today was eggs, 2 red bell peppers, like some fruit. But now, I'm gonna eat a real dish. A real good, delicious dish. I've got some hanger steak here. I'm gonna cut them up in thin slices and cook those up. But before I cook those up, I'm gonna cut up an entire onion, saute that in a pan with 2 bell peppers. I'm gonna use like a tablespoon or 2 of butter and some olive oil too. And yeah, maybe I'll cook up some eggs too. Why not? I'll start with cutting up the onion and the peppers. So let's get to it. How do you cut an onion? Let's find out. How do we cut an onion? How to cut an onion.
Wanted to improve their knife skills. So let's start with the basics. Take the non-root end of your onion. Makes it easier to peel.
Okay.
Remove the skin and any tough outer layers.
Okay.
Place the flat side down for stability.
Okay.
Otherwise, you'll have a moving onion like this one.
All right, let's do that. Okay, nice. What's the next step?
Remember, never cut the root.
Never cut the root.
Is the hairy part of the onion. As
Okay.
you can see, the onion is made up of many layers. Your onion will begin to flatten without cutting all of it. Then to create a perfectly divided.
That's right. I don't think I want to cut it that way. I want to cut it this way. Wow, my eyes are burning. Yeah, I kind of want to cut it like this. Yeah, it looks nice. Wow, my eyes are burning. We'll break these up. Cut this one up now. That should be good. All right, sweet, there we go. olive oil. Put all the onions in there. I'll saute these for a bit, and I'll update you guys in a few minutes. I'll cut up the red bell peppers too. Boom, boom. Cut this up. Clean it out. I'll use one bell pepper. This is probably enough. Alright, put those in there. Alright, it's looking pretty good.
That is smelling really good.
Sauteing is done. Let's cook up some steak now. That's about 400 grams of hanger steak. I'll cut these up in thin slices. Time to cook the steak. Some olive oil. Some salt. And then let that cook. Take a look at that. It's 10:35. Finished cooking up the meal. It's looking delicious. Oh, I would say this is about like 1,000 calories because I did put like a bunch of olive oil and like a tablespoon of butter too. Let's give it a little try. Let's see. That's how it's looking. Phenomenal. That is a 10 out of 10 meal. Definitely recommend cooking that up. I will chow down on this. You probably just go to bed. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.